If you're like most drivers, you've probably thought about adding a rear-view camera to your car to increase safety and awareness on the road. But have you ever wondered how you can get a camera that seamlessly integrates with your existing dashcam? That's where the Nextbase DashCam compatible rear windshield full 6-lane rear-view camera comes in, designed specifically for a range of Nextbase models. Welcome to Autovated, where we break down the tech you need to keep you informed. Today, we'll be diving into the features of the Nextbase DashCam rear-view camera and exploring whether it's worth your investment. Let's get into it. This rear-view camera is compatible with the Nextbase 322GW, 422GW, 520GW, and 622GW dashcams, offering seamless integration for those looking to add a rear-facing view to their setup. When connected to the 422GW or 522GW models, you can achieve a 1080p front and 1080p rear recording resolution, while the 6 and 22GW model allows for 4K front and 1080p rear recording simultaneously. The 322GW delivers 1080p front and 720p rear. It's a neat solution for drivers who want to capture every angle on the road, providing all-round protection for their journeys. With an easy-to-hide 236-inch cable, installation is a breeze, and it blends into the vehicle's interior, leaving no unsightly wires. The adjustable magnetic mount is another standout feature, thanks to the neodymium magnets that allow you to position the camera exactly where you need it. Whether you want a higher or lower view, this camera gives you the flexibility to adjust without hassle. Plus, with the ultra-wide 140-degree viewing angle, the camera ensures you capture the entire landscape behind you, including walkways and obstacles, for greater awareness. In terms of usage, the camera connects directly to your Nextbase dashcam, enabling you to use PIP, picture-in-picture mode, to view rear footage right on your front-facing display. This makes playback simple and convenient, allowing you to easily review your recordings from both cameras in one place. Now, let's get into the pros and cons of this rear-view camera. Pros: easy installation. The 236-inch cable is long enough to keep things neat and hidden. Magnetic mount. The fully adjustable magnetic mounting system is one of the key highlights. It makes repositioning the camera a breeze and offers flexibility. Ultra-wide angle. The 140-degree viewing angle captures a comprehensive field of view, which is perfect for avoiding blind spots. Seamless integration with Nextbase dashcams. If you already own a Nextbase dashcam, this camera fits right in, offering full compatibility. Cons? Price. The camera is not the cheapest on the market, especially if you're only looking for a rear-view camera without all the features of a full dashcam. Limited compatibility. It's designed specifically for Nextbase dashcams, so if you don't own one, you'll be limited in your options. Dependence on front camera for full functionality. You need a Nextbase dashcam to use the rear-view camera fully, which could be a limitation for those looking for standalone solutions. When it comes to value for money, the Nextbase dashcam compatible rear windshield full 6-lane rear-view camera delivers decent quality, especially if you're already in the Nextbase ecosystem. The ability to integrate with your existing dashcam system is a big plus, and the quality of the recording is impressive, but it might be priced on the higher end for users who just need a basic rear-view camera. Compared to other options in the market, such as the Vantrue N2 Pro or the Garmin DashCam, this rear-view camera is more specialized, offering seamless integration, but with a price tag to match. If you're already using a Nextbase dashcam, this is a solid addition to your setup. But if you're on the hunt for a standalone rear-view camera, there are more affordable options out there. Build quality and longevity. The magnetic mount system and the quality of the materials used in this camera are solid. The design is meant for long-term use, and users generally report reliability in their feedback. However, keep in mind that long-term durability data is still limited, so it's important to monitor any user reviews that might surface over time. Customer support. Nextbase is known for providing decent customer support, with a reputation for resolving issues in a timely manner. If you ever run into trouble, you'll likely get the help you need to troubleshoot or resolve any installation or compatibility problems. Who it's for. This camera is ideal for Nextbase dashcam owners who want a seamless, all-round protection system with an easy-to-use, highly adjustable rear camera. If you're someone who values safety and convenience, this product will suit your needs. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly or standalone rear-view camera, this might not be your best fit. To wrap things up, strong option. If you're a Nextbase dashcam owner looking to add rear-view protection, this is a solid, reliable option that works well with your existing system. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell to keep up with fresh product breakdowns here at Autovated. Your support helps us keep rolling out the best reviews for your automotive needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, links to the product mentioned are in the comments and description if you want to check them out. Drop any questions or share your thoughts if you own the product. Let's get the conversation going. Until next time, stay Autovated.